Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 14 Plus, and now I can show you how to back up all your WhatsApp chats using iCloud Drive. Firstly, open WhatsApp application. Then just click Settings. Wait a while. Just click Settings. Then click Chats and Chat Backup. Here you can see the button Backup now. If you will click this button, WhatsApp will back up all your chats to your iCloud storage. But you can choose Auto Backup mode. If you will use Auto Backup mode, your chats will back up automatically every day or every week or every month. I want to use every week option, for example. And of course you can enable end-to-end encrypted backup. If you will enable it, as you can see, we can read what it means. When you turn this on, no one will be able to access your backup, not even Apple or WhatsApp. So just turn it on. But if you forget your password and lose your phone, WhatsApp can't help you recover this backup because this backup will be encrypted with password. So not forget this password. Okay, create the password, must be strong. Okay, so I will use my password. Then just click Next, retype your password, and click Next. Click Create, and cool, now all your backups will be encrypted. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.